Here I have HUAWEI P30 and let me show you how to reset camera on the following device. So at first you have to open your camera app, then tap on settings icon, which is in upper corner, and scroll down to the very bottom of the list. Here you will notice restore defaults, so just click on it. And now you have to confirm that you want to reset camera settings. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be 100% sure that you want to do it, and if so, just tap on OK. And that's it. Now you can set up your camera from the scratch, from the beginning. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.